Want to know how to make this? What's up, guys? It's Nehemiah, bro. And this video is sponsored by Luigi Papino. And today I'm making, what was it? OObleck. I cannot pronounce it. OObleck. And make sure to like and subscribe. Let's go. So first you need to pour half a cup of water in color of your choice. The water's already in there. Use all of them because I'm not a noob. First, I'll just use all of them. I'm not a freaking noob. Now, 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh! It looks pretty glitched than I thought it would be. Now screw the top back on. Oh my gosh. Now do I mix it? Oh my gosh, that looks like pretty glitch. It looks like I'm making the pretty glitch. Now add a cup of cornstarch. Or the whole thing. It stopped and made it. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. It made Bama. Now mix it. Oh my gosh, I made a lot of Batman symbols. Like the Pepito shirt and pizza tower Batman.
Do you need help?
No. Or maybe. This looks like pumpkin pie.
Let me start for you, baby.
Oh my gosh, it's so heavy. Since that's one.
Alright, I think it's ready. Nemo.
So it's supposed to go from a liquid to a solid. We'll keep squeezing or mix it. I look like orange Luigi.
So, babe, bring me the
Guys, I look
cornstarch.
like orange Luigi.
Yeah.
Mine, do I look like orange Luigi?
Yeah, you do.
I
Move your
want.
hand, dude.
Okay. Mine, watch out. I could do it by myself. Punch it.
It's doing it. Hold on.
Punch it. It's hard. Now move it around.
There we go. See? Look.
Mine, do I look like orange Luigi? Slap my hand.
Thank you.
Hang on. Is it because of my
Because I'm wearing white. Stop it! Oh, nothing got on.
Nemo, look.
Yeah,
Look, watch,
I know.
watch, just watch.
I know. Let me try.
Let me drop it.
It looks like poop.
So you might need 2 cups of cornstarch.
Why won't it stop nothing?
Because it's going from a solid to a liquid, babe.
That's the point of OObleck. You just put new one.
Stop melting. Can I punch this in 3, 2, 1? I bet John Cena could punch this through. Like and subscribe now. Goodbye.
Don't touch my camera.
Because of my goopy hands.